Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Tai Tarot. And today we're going to be doing a 7-day forecast for the sign of Pisces. I'm going to be pulling 7 cards. Each card is going to represent one day. This reading is for January 24th through January 31st. Always remember, these are general reads. Please use your own discernment and judgment when watching tarot readings. As well as this reading is not going to resonate with all of you. Please check your moon and your Venus signs for further clarification. Okay? All right, let's get to it. Ooh, you guys got the rainbow. The most difficult part of a situation is over. Ooh. Coins. Money will be coming to you. Nice. 4-leaf clover. Great good fortune. All right, Pisces, I hear you. Tree. Affairs with your family. Okay. See what else. Cobweb, protected from negative forces beyond your control. Okay. Tower, solid foundation, success with effort. Oh, wow, guys. You got V for victory in some endeavor. Out of all of these reads, Pisces, you guys have the best reading yet. Congratulations. Well done. Okay. So, whatever that you're dealing with, whatever type of negativity, drama, whatever the case is coming to an end. Okay? You are on the path to great abundance. You got money falling from the sky. You're manifesting that job, that raise. Some of you might even win the lottery. Okay? You got a lot of good fortune coming in. Doesn't necessarily mean it's all money. Fortune favors the brave. Okay? Crypto might be coming in for you. You got some swing trades on it, even though the market is crashing. Like I said, energies ebb and flow. Everything is energy, and energy is everything. Okay. Good fortune can come in as far as solid foundation with the family, hence the tree. Okay. The affairs of the family are in line with abundance. Okay. Your angels are protecting you. God's protecting you from any negative demonic entities that are coming in. Okay. They're being caught in this angelic web that is snaring them and slowing them down. Okay. You have a solid foundation, of course, with your angels, with your spirit guides, ascended masters, God, Jesus, Elohim, Yahweh, whatever you want to call them, infinite creator, source, energy. The great I am is what I like to call him sometimes. That solid foundation with the divine, that solid foundation with your angels is catching this negativity, is catching these demonic entities, is pushing away these negative naysayers, okay, or negative Nancys, whatever people want to call them, okay? You're coming out on top, man. Ladies and gentlemen of the Piscean community, you guys are coming out on top. Job well done. Job well done. All right, let's go ahead and pull a card for you. Princess of Winter. Logical, truthful, curious, undiplomatic. Okay, so we got the seagull here. This is an intellectual challenge that calls upon your ability to think of a matching solution. If helpful information is put to you bluntly, accept the message without being bothered by the messenger. Okay, so as far as abundance is concerned, if it's not coming, and normally when you consciously manifest, it never comes the way you intend. Accept it anyway, okay? We never question God's blessings and how they come to us. Just know that we're being blessed, okay? We never know how he's going to come, okay? However, he's always on time, okay? So, with that being said, be happy that you're getting this victory, these coins, this great fortune, this solid foundation. It might not be in the form that you're looking at, okay? Or it might not be in the form that you want it to happen, but it's already here. So don't worry about it. You got it, okay? Say thank you, be grateful, be gratuitous in your endeavors, be blessed, and all the blessings that they give you, okay? So, I hope this helps. Please like, share, and subscribe. Hit the bell icon so you'll know when I'll be posting new videos. Thank you guys for your time today. I really appreciate it. Take care, be blessed, stay safe, and I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.